Now bring both the feet close to each other, both the heels together, toes together, and part by part we will tighten all the organs, and then at one stroke, at one count, at one time, we will let go and relax the whole body.
ध्वज प्रणाम 1 2 3 संख्या. So all the last aggressors will do Dakshina Sara, Prachala. You count how many people are in that line.
Arama. Wherever you are, leave the danda. Leave the danda right there. Sanghadaksha. Oh, wait. Come back. Siddha. He is scared almost. मुट्ठी प्रहार नासिका पूर्वचक्र जठर पे क्या के साथ करो 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 सावधान चलो. No, you. Yeah, this is fun. This is fun.
शक्ति का नाम नारी है. शक्ति का नाम नारी है. मुझे एक हक देने के लिए स्कूट डाल दो. दिस बॉक्स. हाँ, ये पूरा हमारा ही घर है ना, तो वी कैन से एनीवेयर. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. You're gonna get a massage there?
भी खेल रहा हूँ। Good one. Good. Hold it. Come on.
संघ रक्षक, संघ सम्यक, अग्रेसर अर्ध वृत्त, संख्यक, संघ रक्षक,
सर्वमंगलमांगल्यं
विश्वधर्म की जय। द्विज प्रणाम 1 2 3। संघ वीर,
मनोबुद्ध्यहंकार चित्तानिनाहं न च श्रोत्रजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे
दया करो भगवान, त्रिनेत्रधारी त्रिशूलधारी, गंगाधारी दया करो, निर्गुण न्यारे तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं, निर्गुण न्यारे तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं।
So what is prarthana? At home also we do prayer. In English we call it prayer. Prarthana is some kind of asking someone for something. Right? But it's not really begging. It's asking someone, for example, if you ask your mother, right, oh I need this. Right? So that's like, similarly you can ask the God, right, the divine, that I want this. It's like a wish. It's a subtle wish. If it comes to you, fine. If it doesn't come to you, fine.
So today, when you are in a training camp here, or like Sangha Shiksha work, you know, by coming here, you may not think much about it. You may think that, okay, I'll learn a couple of things here and there, and then meet my friends and chit chat and go home, and no, it's more than that. Couple of years back, I made chief minister of one of the states. Which state is progressing the most today in India, and who is the chief minister of that? Right. So I met Narendra Modi, and while talking, he told me that જેને બી આ સંઘની ટ્રેનિંગ ચાલુ કરી છે, તો આ કેમ્પ, સંઘનો કેમ્પની ટ્રેનિંગને લીધે હું આટલી મોટી ગવર્મેન્ટ ચલાવી શકું છું. વિચ મીન્સ I am capable of running this big government of Gujarat because of Sangha training.
So it's a misnomer to say there's a Hindu contribution to science and culture. The more accurate statement is that there is Hindu civilization. There's a comprehensive way to organize the life of an entire human society that's based on Hindu principles. So, we have this idea of Vishwadharma. Let me throw out some other fun jargon for you. Dharma is the way things are meant to be, and civilization is the way things are.
हिंदू जगे विश्व जगे स्वाभिमान संकल्प जगे हिंदू जगे तो विश्व जगे स्वाभिमान संकल्प जगे
हिंदू बाकुरे हैं हम वीर विजय की चार से बढ़ रहे हैं कदम भीष्म को जाएंगे हिंदू तीर वीर हम हर हर बम बम हिंदू बाकुरे विजयशाली संघबद्ध कार्य शक्ति दे तीव्र और अखंड दे निष्ठा हमको दे हिंदू धर्म रक्षण वीर वृतस्पते कृपा से हो सफल हमारी साधना साधना युक्त साधना साधना अखंड साधना संगठन का महामंत्र है करुणाई का चारुता युग से सोए सुप्त हृदय में धर्म भक्ति का चारुता हिंदू हृदय ललकारता शक्ति देना वो अपने दिल से साफ कर सके दोस्तों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके
हिंदुत्वाचे बांधुनी कंकण जगी करूया संचार हिंदू अस्मिते हिंदू देवते तव हो जय जयकार
1 2 1 2 We are Hindu 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 Soda lemon ginger pop Ganpati Bappa on the top Soda lemon ginger Ganpati Bappa on the top Yo chop yo chop We love Yog Chop! Yog Chop! Yog Chop! We love Yog Chop! Gun! Gun! We don't like guns! हम शाखा में आएंगे हर हिंदू को लाएंगे शाखा में आएंगे हर हिंदू को लाएंगे
निस्वार्थ धर्म कार्य के लिए, धर्म कार्य के लिए। धर्म से सभी कहे हिंदू है हम एक है, स्नेह सूत्र में बंधे वेद भी अमित है। शुभ्र रंग की कथा सप्त रंग बोले, धर्म के लिए कोटि कोटि कंठ से हिंदू धर्म गर्जना, नित्य सिद्ध शक्ति से समाज की है अर्चना। संग शक्ति कलियुगी सुधा है धर्म के लिए, धर्म के लिए धर्म के लिए। व्यक्ति व्यक्ति में जगे समाज भक्ति भावना, व्यक्ति को समाज से जोड़ने की साधना। लाभ कर सभी लगे धर्म कार्य के लिए, धर्म के लिए समाज के लिए धड़कने निस्वार्थ हो, धर्म कार्य के लिए, धर्म कार्य के लिए।
एक दो एक दो एक दो एक दो वाम एक दो चार वाम एक दो चार चल दो काल दो एक दो अच्छा एक दो चार चल दो मित्र काल दो एक दो
युद्ध सिद्ध एक मुशी प्रहार प्रयोग एक गुरु कनिष्ठाघात विभाक्ष एक दो तीन सदान प्रयोग सिद्ध एक ऊर्ध्वपाद भाक्ष एक दो तीन भूमि वंदना भाक्ष एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ युद्ध सिद्ध एक
विन्यास सिद्ध एक दो ऊना कृत एक दो एक पद तीसरा एक वारम कुरु एक वाम खंजोटी कुरु एक दो तीन पुरोसर द्विवारम कुरु एक दो दक्षिण खंजोटी कुरु एक दो तीन तीसरा एक वारम कुरु एक वाम स्थलांतर कुरु एक दो तीन पुरोसर एक वारम कुरु एक दक्षिण स्थलांतर कुरु एक दो तीन.
And as I said, gained the vidya, very happy, got very nice friends, felt like Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So while saying the Subhashit, I really felt like every passing day it was working. And the Bhojan team will be remembered by me as well as my Sevika friends tonight when we cook the food for our family. So Dhanyawad, we'll definitely see you next year.
From a family perspective, we enjoyed watching our children, our spouses, or both of them participate in all these activities, and hopefully all of them have learned something to take back when they return. From self perspective, all of us, like our dharma and the learned Bautik session showed, there was physical, intellectual and spiritual learning for ourselves, which I'm sure all of us are going to be greatly benefited from.
Some of us shared their experiences about this 7-day camp, and I was just listening to them, and I thought what we wanted here, why we came here, what we left at home before coming here, and have we really achieved that in these 7 days? Just think about it. Same time last week what we were doing at home. I wake up in the morning. First, I opened up my Facebook account and then I updated my status. Just woke up, brushed my teeth, not showered yet, but I'm on my Facebook. I went to one Sangha Shiksha Varga and one Shiksharthi when he was giving his Anubhav Kathan, not this Sangha Shiksha Varga, and he tried to explain that when the first 2-3 days I felt that is it a boot camp? The Shikshak at what time you wake up? 6 o'clock, right? 5:45. Sorry, I'm late. And then they only allow us to sleep at 10:30 night. And then first 2-3 days I felt I am in the boot camp. I am not going to go away from this camp. I will probably die in this camp. That's what his first reaction. But after that, he thought that I am in such a wonderful big family with all these friends whom I never met earlier. I just came to know about them when I came here in this boot camp, and then after 3 days, it turned out to my whole big family.